Hello everyone and welcome to our first video in our revamped quick stitch tutorial series with Burnley and Trowbridge. I'm Angela and today we're going to learn the how and why of waxing our linen thread when we sew. Waxing your linen thread is a step you don't want to skip. Linen thread has small fibers that can catch and pull on the fabric as you draw it through. The more you stitch, the more potential for your thread to begin to break down. Waxing your thread smooths out all those fibers and allows the thread to pass smoothly through the fabric with minimal friction. You can also use wax when sewing with silk and cotton to ease your stitching. To get started, assemble your supplies: linen thread, beeswax. Be sure to use 100% beeswax. Commercial wax that you find in your regular sewing store often contains paraffin. You need your thimble, your snips, and of course, a good quality sewing needle. To begin, you're going to draw a length of thread that is comfortable for you. A general suggestion is that the length of the thread is not longer than your arm can comfortably pull as you stitch. Remember, you'll be stitching with a single strand of thread, not a double. So let's get our thread ready. Once your thread is cut, run it through the wax cake a couple of times. Work the wax into the thread once you've run it through. Be sure to get both ends. And then you're going to work it in. You can also iron the wax in if you like, but just using the warmth of your hands works really well. Once your thread is waxed, it will be easier to pass through the eye of your needle. It also may help if you have tangling issues. Thread your needle and you're ready to stitch. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and comment. Also, be sure to tag us in your makes on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. For Burnley and Trowbridge, this is Angela saying thank you for joining us today and keep sewing.